Hello, I just bought these Abloy Classic padlocks without key. Let's try to pick these if possible. Seems at least that they are possible to. I have not added oil. These looks pretty new. All can be turned all right. Armed with this kind of pick. Let's see what we can do. Sometimes it's also possible that there is something strange in the lock and not easy to pick. Of course, this requires that there's this long key end. So, armed with this, let's see what we can do for these 4 locks. Okay, let's start with the first one. As always, all discs all right. Like this. Then from the tip end. Yeah. Good feeling. Okay. And the first. Now, first has gate. Next one. Maybe. Maybe to get in the last one. Okay. The first. Okay, I need to open it like this. Then let's remove this X thing here. And then go to the next. If I can get where it is now. It's there. What was that? It was something small. I have not seen it. Let's see if this comes out. What was this? There was this kind of. Okay, it's from here. I didn't know that it's that kind. Then let's move the lock like this. If we can get it out. This was not so bad actually, but the big things were not that easy. There was some 5 and 0 cuts. Now if I just can get pick out from the lock, we can try next one. Okay, like this. Take the next one. How this goes. Then as always, our discs are right. Then let's start picking. How it now goes. I cannot get pick into the lock. Okay, like this. Revent. Then let's start there. The first one. It feeling is at the first, so something's well done. Okay. 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 Okay, and the first one. No, I got lost. First it, the gate, next one, gate, and gate. I think I turned this incorrect. Let's turn it back. This was not supposed to be. Maybe it's there. Let's see. This is at the gate. Maybe at the gate. This is not. Now better. Okay, I need to open it. Then let's remove hex. From here. Now it came easily. Easier than previous, and then let's go to lock. And then remove the picking tip. 2 locks done, 2 left. It's quite common that some of the locks has some challenge. Let's see if it's no like this. Okay, then this is done. Then next one. Which direction is it? Like this. This. Okay, like this. Then as always, all discs are right. And then let's start picking. Okay, then pull. The first one, no gate filling, maybe there, there. There. Next one. There. Next one. Next one. I don't know. Okay, this is first one, so it's 0 cut. Okay, next one. Okay, there. 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 This, there, there. Oops. Okay, that is now better. Okay. Okay. The first one. Okay. Oops. This is binding. Okay, next one. Okay, and it opens like this. Then let's remove hex. This one can close the lock and remove the pick. One to go. I'm running out of battery. Come here. Let's see if there's enough battery left for the last lock. Okay, like this and extend the final one. Final lock one. This. Then all discs are right click I put and remember this and then this. Let's try how this goes. No gate filling. Right there. Right there. Right there. First one. Next one. Okay, it's feeling. Let's leave it there. 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 This one. Next one. This is binding. There. The first one. Okay, wow, it opened. Whew. I managed to pick them all. Wow. So no broken locks. Wow. Not bad to get for random blocks picked. How long it took? More than 10 minutes anyway. But where it is. Now it came from this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.